Custom Data Tiles feature on InfinCE lets you extract data from different sources and visualize them as tiles on the dashboard. Administrator, department admin and team admin roles have the right to create new custom data tiles. Let us take a look at how to create various custom data tiles in InfinCE. Go over to the Administration tab and click on Tiles. This page lists all the tiles that can be modified by the user. Click on the plus button to begin creating a new custom data tile. In the first step, you need to choose your source. This can either be applications that have been subscribed on InfinCE, or custom sources that you can configure. Let us try creating a tile from Mautic, a marketing tool that has been subscribed on this test account. Only applications that expose data via APIs will be listed here. In step 2, you would see the list of all the APIs that are available for this application. Click on an API to select and view the details. Let us choose an API that would show the spread of marketing campaigns across industries. Most APIs would one or more input parameters. The mandatory ones are marked with an asterisk. There are 3 ways to feed the value for the parameters. 1. Static. With this option, you can set one static value for that input parameter and that would be used every time the tile is rendered. 2. User input. This option would let a user set the value dynamically from the dashboard. This would let you alter the filters as required and also to have multiple instances of the tile for different filters. 3. Environment. This option will allow you to automatically set the value from an environmental variable. For example, Mautic needs login email as authentication for the APIs, so we can set the value to be fetched from the email ID in the environment. In step 3, all the variables available in the result set of the API are listed along with sample values. You can pick and choose the variables that you are interested in visualizing. The data type of these variables are automatically set, but you can also change that here. We can also select all the variables and then shortlist them in the next step. In step 4, you can customize the visualization as desired by choosing the desired chart type, the variables, tile name and so on. The preview is drawn with sample data, and is only for representational purposes. At the end, set the sharing levels for the tile. The tile has now been successfully created. It would be available in the Add Tile list, and can be added to the desired dashboards. You can click on the edit icon at the bottom right of the tile, to set or edit the values for user input parameters. If you leave a parameter as blank, the API will simply skip that filter.